Hi guys, I'm Johnny and today I'm going to show you how to make Amish onion patties or onion fritters. This recipe, it is so amazing. These are like onion rings but better. They taste so delicious. I saw this recipe on Pinterest and I was like, this is like, I need to try this. And I made it last night and it was so delicious. Everybody enjoyed it. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start in a large bowl, and in that large bowl we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. So you're going to go ahead and add some all-purpose flour, cornmeal, baking powder, white granulated sugar, and salt. Mix everything together until it is well combined. So now we're just going to go ahead and add some milk. You can use whole milk, 2%, 1%. You're going to mix everything together until it forms a batter. Once it forms a batter, we're going to go ahead and add our chopped onions and mix until everything is nice and well blended. So in a skillet over medium-high heat, I have like half an inch of oil. I'm using corn oil, but you can use vegetable, canola. And using a spoon, we're gonna drop the batter in the hot oil. You want to flatten it or spread it a little bit. And you're going to cook this until they're nice and golden brown and crispy on both sides. And in the description box, I have the recipe, so don't worry. So after they're nice and golden brown on both sides, what you're going to do is just transfer them in a plate with a paper towel so you could drain out the excess fat and enjoy. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe for Amish onion fritters or onion patties. These are so delicious. You can have them as a side dish with steak, chicken, whatever you want, or just as a snack. Give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.